Hi, we're waving to you. Hello, we hope you're having a wonderful day. Yeah, come play with us later. We love waving. It's so fun. Bye.
We'll be there soon.
I can't wait to relax. Dad, help me!
I'm coming, son!
The food is almost ready, my dears. Ready or not, here I come!
Wait!
Simple, delicious meal for everyone.
It was wonderful, thank you. But Dad, I really want to go play.
No, son. You have to finish your homework first.
Okay, Dad, I will.
That's my good boy. All right, time for our adventure. Ready to go, champ? Hold on tight. I want the window seat!
Fight! Fight! Hey, settle down back there. I got it! Look, the hills!
That's the spirit. Look at this beautiful countryside.
It's perfect for our picnic.
I see hills and trees.
We'll be there soon.
I can't wait to relax. Wow, look at all the flowers. Yeah, let's wave to them. Hi, pretty flowers. I love this trip. Me too. Dad, help me!
I'm coming, son! I've got you.
Thank you, Dad.
You're safe now.
Let's play hide and seek. I'll count. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ready? Here I come. I see you. That was fun.
This samosa is incredible. It's all so good. This picnic is perfect.
Yummy. Can we have some? Just one, please.
Hey, no snacks before lunch.
Oh, let them have a little.
All right, just this once.
All right, the mat is ready for our picnic.
Oh,
Wait for permission, you two.
sorry, Ma.
All right, my little thieves. Enjoy. This samosa is incredible. It's all so good. This picnic is perfect.
Why so serious? Smile. Yeah, you look so grumpy. I'm thinking.
It's okay to be serious, my thoughtful boy.
Sorry. We were just playing.
Oh, what funny faces.
Keep them coming, kids.
Look at this one. Beautiful day for a picnic.
It is.
Quick, before Dad sees. He got the cookies.
Aha! What do we have here?
Uh-oh.
All right, you little rascals. Just ask next time.
This is perfect.
I'm so happy.
Me too. These moments are everything.
Can we do this every day?
Yes, my loves. Here you go, my little one.
I'm glad you like it, Beta.
Of course, my love. Oh, you two are so silly.
Look at my funny face.
Come here, my darlings.
I love you.
Ready or not, here I come.
Wait for me.
They look so happy.
Yes, just like us.
I love watching them play.
Me too. This is perfect, isn't it?
Yes, it is. A beautiful day.
Smile for the camera. Got it! Look at us. One more for the memories.
The sun feels so nice today.
Yes, Mommy, can I have a fruit?
Of course. Here you go. The sunset is so beautiful, isn't it? Yes, Mama. It's like a painting. Just like you two, my loves.
I love you, Mama.
Look, my dears, at this beautiful sunset.
It's so bright, Amma, and the water is sparkling.
Yes, it's magical. Let's walk. I love you both. What a lovely picnic. Ready to head home?
Yes, let's go. Everyone buckled up?
Yes, and I can't wait to go again.
The drive back is so beautiful.